Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Audi Rs4 versus BMW M3. The Audi Rs4 typically comes with a powerful twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering strong torque across the rev range. In contrast, the BMW M3 often boasts a high-revving inline-six engine, known for its sharp throttle response. Both cars are engineered for exhilarating performance, offering rapid acceleration and impressive top speeds, making them fierce competitors in the performance segment. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Audi Rs4 typically employs its renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, providing exceptional grip and stability, especially in adverse conditions. The BMW M3, however, often offers a more traditional rear-wheel drive setup, which many enthusiasts prefer for its engaging and playful handling characteristics. These fundamental differences lead to distinct steering feel and suspension tuning, offering varied driving experiences. For practicality, the Audi Rs4 stands out by being exclusively offered as an Avant or wagon, providing generous cargo space and versatility for families or active lifestyles. The BMW M3, on the other hand, is typically available as a four-door sedan or a two-door coupe, catering to different preferences. Both brands offer premium interiors, but their design philosophies and infotainment systems present distinct user experiences. Considering value and ownership, the initial purchase price and ongoing running costs, including fuel and maintenance, can vary between the Rs4 and M3. Depreciation and resale value are also significant factors to consider when making a long-term investment in either of these high-performance vehicles. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.